If you're stuck for time making your content, then here's how to use your templates within CapCut to speed everything up. First of all, we're going to open up CapCut and go to templates in the corner. You'll see all the templates come up. So they show you like 802,000 have used this one, but it's only one photo. 3.3 million, one photo. What we're looking for is something with a lot of photos. So maybe about 20, 30 photos. And that has over 100,000 uses. So we know that the song's good and people like the photo. We don't want to go to 1.3 million or that 3.3 million because we'll just get lost in all of those. So because this is for a fitness shoot that I did, I'm going to put in fitness photo. So now I just wait till it loads. And then so the second one is 28, but I know it being in the second, a lot of people are just going to pick it. So I'm going to scroll a wee bit down and look for, so here's 21 with 90,000 and 21 photos. So I'm going to use this as my template. So remember, we're going for speed here. We're not going for everything being super perfect. So you'll see when it opens up, it has the song here, and then all of the pictures that you're going to use are all up as well. If you played this now, it'll just show random images. So what we're going to do is drag some images in. That's about 40, but it doesn't really matter. So all I want to do then is replace the images. So I'm going to take all of these images and just put them in, so you'll see how quick this happens. And I'll tell you why I'm skipping the first one first. Basically the first one is the one that has the most happening. So I want it to showcase the gym. So if I have a picture of the trainer, then I'm going to use that one. But as you'll see, like, I'm not doing any work here. I'm just throwing in. I'm not really thinking, I'm just throwing them in because the app's going to do all the work anyway. The only bit I am going to think about is I'm going to look for an image. So there's the trainer there. So now when we play this, and just as an example, if we want, we can pick one of these photos. So say if I go with this photo here, I can click on it and make it bigger, make it smaller. I can actually go in here and adjust it as well. So I can crop the ratio, so I can stretch it or move the photo that way. So just moving it back to keep the whole person in shot. That's the easiest way to make your content fast. Just make sure you're taking a lot of footage or a lot of photos during your classes, and then just stick them in the template. The template will do all of the work for you. If you enjoy editing and you want to do a bit more in depth than using just templates, then click on this video above and it'll teach you all about CapCut jump cuts.